feel kind of speechless because there's just something very cool about getting to do this every day of our lives, to come and, you know, because it all just started out with a piano and us gathered around it, and really we did in the old days just try and work out how to do all the harmonies and the chords for Beatles songs, and that's how we started out. And so, anyway, it's nice to now have just more people gathered around that piano and singing the songs with us. Thank you for doing that tonight. Here's a B-side, an old song, but a song that we absolutely love and people keep asking us to play. It's where we got the title for our first record, Hopes and Fears. The song's called Snowed Under.